I'm somebody's mama, ain't no hot girl summer. What's up, Calvary? It's your girl Naisha Nicole, and I am back again with another video. Welcome to, or welcome back to Time to Queen, where we are all things beauty and fashion meets lifestyle, home decor, and DIY. If this is your first time here, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Click that subscribe button, give it a big old thumbs up, and leave me a comment so I can talk back to you. Say hey. Say it's my first time here, and just say hey. I love talking to my Calvary. So as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be doing a little bit of a shoe haul. So I haven't done a shoe haul before on my channel. It's always like, you know, Fashion Nova, Boohoo, Shein, clothes. But I've never done a shoe haul. And I just made my first order with Ego Shoes. And y'all, baby, I am in love. So it's kind of like the Fashion Nova, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing of shoes. Like, they have so many cute shoes. Now, I am trying my best to get my foot back in a heel because with Corona, honey, sis ain't wore a heel in about a year. So, I'm trying my best to get my foot back in a heel. So, I did order me some cute heels. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into these shoes. So, this first pair is a flat pair of acrylic sandals. It's nude on the outside with acrylic strap just across your toes. Now, I have worn these quite a few times already. I've been trying to make this video for a while, but y'all, life, honey, life. So I have worn these shoes quite a few times, and normally flat shoes like this, like these are flat sandals. Normally flat shoes like this will hurt my feet because I do have a deep arch in my foot. So flat shoes tend to hurt my feet and eventually start hurting my back if I wear them too long. But y'all, I have worn these and walked around Lowe's. I have worn these and walked around the mall, and they did not hurt my feet. There is a little bit of a cushion on the inside, but it's not, you know, like terribly thick and bulky. The shoes have a good weight to them, but they're not overly heavy. So yeah, but I am loving these. These are probably my new favorite pair of sandals, and honestly, I'm probably getting ready to put them on my feet right now. This second pair is called the Ariana. It is also a nude shoe with acrylic straps. So it's kind of like the heel version of the flat that I just showed you, but it does have a block heel, which for somebody who hasn't worn a heel in almost over a year, I need that, because that block heel does give a little bit more support than the stiletto, but still very cute, still very in style. And it has a acrylic strap across here, and it has the ankle straps. It's hard for me to show you here, but you see how it fits on your foot, but it does have the strap that goes strap around your ankle. Jagga, strap around your ankles. It does have that. So it does give you some support. And I have worn these too. I only wore them once and only for a few hours because, again, I'm trying my best to get back in the heel. I'm trying it. So I only had them on for a few hours, but they did not hurt my feet very much. They were very easy to walk in, and they do have some support, cushion support in the sole as well. Now it doesn't have like a platform in the front. So if you know that bothers your feet, this probably isn't the style for you, but they do have a lot of cute styles like this with the acrylic and nude. And y'all, look how tiny these boxes are. Like, I thought these was like kids shoes. When I first opened the package, I was like, I think I might have ordered the wrong sizes, because I told y'all this is my first time ordering from them, but nope, baby, fits perfectly. I don't know the magic trick they use to get these shoes in here. Now, I do have a small foot. I wear a size 7.5, 8. And sometimes I can wear a kid's shoe and like sneakers and boots and stuff. But I ordered a size 8 in all of the shoes. The flats and all of the shoes that I'm showing you are a size 8. But they do have a wide range of sizes on the site, and like I said, it's just bomb. I will be ordering from them again. All the links to the shoes that I'm showing you today will be down in the description box. At the time I'm filming this, I'm not getting paid on any of the links, but if anything changes, I will make sure I note that in the description box. So it's not like a paid link or anything, but I will leave the links down for you in the description box. So this next shoe that I'm showing you is the style Grounded. And now I have not worn these yet, but baby, I can't wait, honey. Let me go ahead and take both of them out. So this is the style Grounded. Again, a size 8, US 8, European 39. And this is a stiletto heel. Y'all, I'm trying. And it is an acrylic heel still. It is enclosed with acrylic, and it has some pretty thick gold spikes, and it does strap around the ankle here with a buckle closure. So I saw this shoe and I was like, well, that's bad. And it did come in more colors, but I did get it in nude. So if you're not seeing a trend here, I needed some nude shoes, because the nude shoes that I have look like grandma shoes at this point. So I needed some more nude shoes, and this was so cute, y'all. Like, I can't wait to put this on. I done ordered some new outfits. I'm ready to have my lukewarm girl summer, because I'm somebody mama, ain't no hot girl summer. Alright, and so the last pair that I'm gonna show you guys is the style Mood. Y'all, these are the ones, I ain't gonna lie, these are the ones I was the most excited for, because I saw these. I think this is the first pair that I saw, and I was like, yep, I'm about to place this order. And I know you can't see it right now, but I'm trying to get them out the bags and stuff, because I haven't worn these either. But baby, when I tell you, I can't wait to get my foot in here. Somebody get me somewhere to go. Somebody take me on a date. Let's go out to dinner. I'm not gonna say my treat, because I'm not gonna promise that kind of stuff, but let's go, because I got shoes to wear and I'm ready to wear them. Like, these are so freaking cute. Take the paper off of that. So another buckle closure, this solid gold block heel, another block heel, but again, I'm trying to work my way back up into heels. And it's got that in style square toe, like the Bottega Veneta style square toe. And then this is just a sexy shoe. Like, it does have some padding so that your feet not screaming by the end of the night. Like, this is just a sexy ass shoe, and I cannot wait to get my foot in here to go somewhere, because clearly you see I got my foot in it. But I can't wait to go somewhere, have somewhere to go to wear these, because I got an outfit in mind already. Okay, so that's it, just those 4 right now. But again, I will be back on that site to order more, because baby, when I tell you, those shoes is just bomb. Like, I didn't see a pair of shoes on there that I did not like. Now, I did see some stuff that might not necessarily be for me, because I'm short and I'm thick and I ain't wore a heel in a year. So some things just ain't gonna be for me. But I did like, I'll say 99% of the styles that I saw. I was in love, and if I had the coin to order them all, honey, this will be a long video. But for now, that's just the 4 that I have bought so far. I'll be back again if I order more. Y'all let me know down in the comments, which is your favorite shoe, and help me style them. Like, if you have an idea in mind for any of the shoes that you saw, help me style it, sis. Give me some outfit ideas. Matter of fact, give me some places to go to wear them, because sis is ready to get out of the house. Like I said, lukewarm girl summer in full effect. But that's it for now, you guys. Until next time, it's time to clean, y'all.